Alright guys, let's get started. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from your Binance account. So you must ensure that you already have the Binance app installed in your phone so that you can be able to buy and trade crypto easily on your phone. You can see inside here we have very many features on Binance. This is the Binance Pro, but if you want to change to the Binance Lite, you can change from here as quick as you can. And yeah, you can as well go back to the Pro just by switching sides like that. So here it shows the prices. You can see the adder is the one which is increasing. It's on a rise because since China is going to start accepting that crypto instead of the yuan. So we're going to see. I want to show you how to withdraw your money on Binance account, so that it goes directly to your bank or your bank or your mobile money. So I'm going to just come and tap here. Remember, you must have already turned your money from the crypto into the fiat. So here what you do, you just press. You can see these are my processes which I've already processed, withdrawn already. I can say tap on Dodge. Yes, I withdraw. Now when you withdraw, you input the crypto wallet where you want to withdraw from. But if you haven't exchanged your money, you can decide to put it in fiat so that you can withdraw in fiat. The one I'm talking about, the GX. Tap withdraw. When you tap withdraw, it brings that page where there is bank transfer and mobile money, and you have to choose an option you want. You want bank transfer or mobile money? Just tap on mobile money because that's the easiest. So if you do with bank transfer, you'll be paying 8,000 as an exchange rate. So I'll pick mobile money. I'll say continue. You put the country, the bank account name, and the phone number you're using to. Then you click continue. This is the phone number if you want to receive the money. You come here and put the amount of money in the account. So if you have enough, it will play the exact amount you want. For watching this video, make sure at least you give me a thumb up if you like the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Catch you on the next one. I've also made for you a playlist down there for crypto, where you can learn real crypto trading and other features if you want to make money online. Alright, blessed.